Special greetings, my dear students. Yesterday we seen MS Access. Okay, how we can create a table, how we can record how we can create a table, how we can make a query, what is the criteria. This all things we seen. Today we will see the multiple criteria and the form report. Okay, we seen a relationship between the tables and creating a query, how we can able to create a simple query, okay, not that much high, just a simple query, and a specific simple criteria, okay, simple criteria. And now today we are going to see multiple criteria, okay, multiple criteria, forms report, okay, only these things we are going to see. And today we are going to complete this chapter. Okay, after completing this chapter, students, I think 2 or 3 class we will complete our portion also. Okay, now I am going to open MS Access. So in last class we created a file 8th. Okay, okay students, this is a file we created in a last class. Okay, this is a file we created in a last class, and we created simple query. Okay, this is a simple query. So only one student, what condition we given, we can see the query, what condition we given. Design view, just right click, design view. Those are taken less than 50. Okay, in which subject? Science subject. So student school, see here is the one student taken 60. Okay students, I am going to delete this table. I deleted that query. Okay, now I am going to delete that query. I don't know why, what is happening this much slow. Students, in this class, I will try to explain once again a relationship between table and creating a simple query and multiple criteria form report. Only this main things I will explain. So when we are explaining, this chapter will be complete. Okay, after 5 and 6 both are Photoshop. So when we are touching in a 5th chapter, it will continuously go to up to 6th chapter. Okay. It is showing before deleting table we have to close the table. So okay students, now deleted. Now kindly see here in student school. Okay, I am going to give in mathematics. Okay, one student Arjun is the above, sorry, Arjun is 100 and Aryan is 96. Now I will add one more name also. Mohit. Okay, Mohit, he is a 6th class and Arjun is the 8th class. Okay, 100. And in student school, Mohit father name we can give a green. Number you can give any. Actually student, this is for just a rough purpose. So I am not giving any, what is that, mobile number I am not giving exactly 10. Okay. So address also you can give any, because it is just understanding purpose, understanding the concept. Okay. So now just to save the table, I saved. Okay. Now, how many students got 100 in mathematics? Kindly see the table. Here, Arjun and Mohit. Students, be clear in this. This table, we are having only two students. Okay. For your understanding purpose, if there is a 10,000 record, okay, in 10,000 record, 10, 20, 30 members got 100, how you will find? It is difficult to find, correct? Okay, sir. In mathematics 100, okay. I want in both subject, math also and science also 100. So if it is multiple condition when it occurs and many records will be there, it will be very difficult for us to understand. But to take, okay, to take particular record, it is difficult. But if you are having in MS Access, if you are using query, it is very easy. It will be 100% result, okay, to take information. If it is a 10,000, if when there is a more record, to take a particular information, for us it is easier. Manually it is difficult. Now see how many students got 100? Only two students we can able to say, because only 5 record. If there is a 50,000 record, how we will find? So in that place we will get a problem. So in such type of case, we can able to use a query. Or else when you are typing here student school, one new student they are typing. So this time while typing itself, if any student taking 100 mark in mathematics, automatically that mark will be come in a that query. Now see, I'm going to create a query. Okay. Now create, as I told, query wizard or query design. I'm suggesting you to use query design, because in query design you can able to get a more whatever options we are going to get. We are going through query design. So if you are using query design, it will be flexible for you. So add table, close. So I'm going to create table on student school. Okay, but I want student name. What field name you want? I want student name and mathematics mark and mobile number. I don't want father name this time. I don't want father name this time. I want a mobile number and city. It is depend on your wish. So first I am going to select a table. Table, student, school. Here also student, school, and student, personal. Okay, first I selected the table. Now when I am clicking the field, it will show only in this particular table how many fields are there. In student school, these are the fields available. So just to click, you can able to see the field. I want name. I want mathematics. I want a mobile number, and I want city. Means whatever address if you want you can give. Okay, whatever you want you can give. Now criteria. Students are different between, okay, simple condition. Wait. See simple criteria. Be clear in this. Simple criteria means only one condition. You can able to see in a figure. They are giving only one condition. Multiple criteria means two or more conditions. Okay. You can able to see here. They given two conditions. Okay. You can able to see they given two conditions. Okay. If you are using two or more condition, then it is called what? Multiple criteria. If I give only one condition, it is called simple criteria. Only this is the difference between simple criteria and multiple criteria. Now see here. So in mathematics, where is the mathematics here? Math criteria. So I don't want a greater than, and I want only equal to 100. This is my query. Can you able to see here equal to 100? Like equal to 100 I given. So now right click, save. Math 100. Table name I given math 100. Okay. Now see math came. Now just double click. Now you can able to see here what condition we given, math equal to 100, where we given design view, just right click design view. In criteria we given equal to 100, in which field, math field, in which table, student school. So you can able to see here math 100, student name Arjun, Mohit, mobile number, city. See, Arjun, Mohit. Now I am going to give a multiple criteria. Now I want those who are taken more than 90 mark also, and I want to take a mark. I want to take a student information more than 90. Those are taken and those are taken 100. No, this is not proper. Okay, I can take information those who are taken less than. Okay, students. Now new. I am going to create one more new query. What is that query? Okay. So actually now what I am going to do, I am going to make a one query. Okay, I am going to make one query. In that I want those who are taken 100 marks also and those who are taken less than 10 mark. See, Aryan, he taken how many marks? 6 mark, correct? In mathematics. So I am going to apply two query. Two query means what? Multiple criteria. I told now, if you are mentioning two or more query is called multiple criteria. If you are mentioning only one query, it is called simple criteria. So right click, design view. So here I mentioned only one query. This is a simple criteria. Now I am going to create one more new query. Okay, new query in a new table. So create query. Query design. So this is a new query now. So simple add. Two tables add. So now first select the table student personal. Student personal. In previous table, students we taken only the student name after marks after mobile number, city. Now I am going to take father name and mobile number. Okay. So first student school. So I am going to select student name. Same math. Student, it is not compulsory should take a math. If I want science subject also, you can add. 2-3 subject I want to add. 2-3 subject I want to apply the query. Yes, of course you can add. There is no any restriction. Okay. It is only your wish. So father name and mobile number. So kindly see here. What field I selected? Student name, math, father name, mobile number. Okay, now I am going to give a criteria. First criteria, I want those are taken 100 out of 100. Okay, first criteria over. Second condition, bottom of that, or is enough. This or is called multiple criteria. Or is called what? Multiple criteria. With the help of this or only, we can able to give two or more conditions. So I am going to give less than 10. Less than arrow 10. Students, before going to the condition, you should understand one thing. Okay, you should understand the logical operators. Okay, you should understand the logical operators. What are the logical operators? So what is this? This is a this is a greater. Okay, this is a greater and this is a less than, and this is a greater than or equal, less than or equal. Okay, and this is a not equal. So this is a, what is that, logical operator, you know. Okay, already in previous classes you learned this all symbols. Okay, so what is this? Greater, lesser, lesser than, sorry, greater than or equal, lesser than equal, and not equal. So you should know this. If you know this, only you can able to give a condition in MS Access also. In MS Excel also you can give, MS Access also you can give, MS Access also you can give a condition, and at the same time in MS Excel also you can give a condition. Now kindly see. So multiple criteria, and I want less than 100. Two conditions are given here. I want what? I want those are taken 100 also, and I want those are taken less than 10. Okay, less than 10. Now right click, save, and I'm going to give a table name multiple. Okay. Now see multiple came. Just double click. See those who are taken less than 10. Okay, Aryan taken 6 mark, his mark also I am saying, and those are taken 100. In case I am giving Arjun here, Arjun how much mark he got? 100. So I am going to change 90. Okay, 90, and I just right click, saved. Now open this math 100. See Arjun. Actually, what is the condition for this math 100? Design view, save. Okay, means we have to save again. Okay, now see math 100. Now see in mobile. Students, here Arjun we given 90 to showing, but what condition we given? See here, uh, design view, we want only the 100 and we want those who are less than 10. So just I can right click, save, automatically Arjun will be removed. So this is a multiple condition, multiple criteria. So I hope so we understood the simple criteria and multiple criteria. Now few topics are there. Now itself I will explain, and our portion is going to be, means this fourth chapter is going to be over. Now see form. Actually last year you learned in Excel what is a form. Form is used to view a record individually. Last year in Excel you all created a form, correct? Same form here you are going to create. Same type of view we are going to do. Design view, details, footer, header we can see now. Creating form, formatting form, report. Now I will show how to generate a report and how we will format the report. Printing a report, over. So what were things? Only form and report. Now see in MS Access, in create, okay, I am going to create a report for this multiple, okay, or okay, student school we can create a form. So form is a just one click. Where it is a form? In menu bar create option, form. Now you can able to see a form. Okay, so you can able to see total 5 records are there. Second, third, if I want go to last year. So this is just what to say, means a practical simple thing, and it is a practical you can able to do. Okay, formatting a report. Okay, if you want to format, you can give title. Okay, logo. If you want to insert logo. Okay, I want to select the picture, so I am going to select snapshot this picture. I don't know what picture also that. See now that picture is inserted. So inserting date and time. So it is showing the format which time. Okay. So only this all the things, simple things. Okay, if you want to edit, so I want to edit here. It should be a, If you want to edit also, you can, here itself you can able to edit. Okay, so class. Okay, students, only these are the things in a report. Okay, sorry, this is a form. Okay, this is a form. Now report, same create. Now we can able to see the report here. So before selecting a report, first you select the table. Same I am going to select student school and report. One click over. Now report created. Okay. So formatting, simple thing, how we are going to page number, title, logo. So title, if you want to give any title, you can give. Logo, same it is opening sum. Same file I am going to select. Okay, so these are the things. So students, our fourth chapter is over. So tomorrow I will upload answer the following questions, on mark exercise in our school site, and please kindly go through everything. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you, my dear students.